This message is for those who are boasting in their color, their nationality, their religion, their hierarchy, their traditions, their modern prophets, perhaps. That you may know that all boasting of such sort is wicked, and it may come at the cost of your soul. What's important for your salvation? That you may be set free from sin and inherit the kingdom and not hellfire, is that you have the commitment, which is called the fellowship of the body of Christ. So please register your commitment below using the link and stop all this silly boasting.